All right, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs to the test for CNBLOGS.com users, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your CNBLOGS.com browsing. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for CNBLOGS.com? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get exposed while accessing CNBLOGS.com. And they've all had their no logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which pages or posts you check out. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for CNBLOGS.com users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for CNBLOGS.com because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature, threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of trackers or phishing attempts, even when the VPN is off. Plus, it has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with friends or colleagues for private chats or code sharing on CNBLOGS.com. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited, simultaneous connections. So, you can run it on your PC, phone, and any other devices you use to browse CNBLOGS.com, all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy CNBLOGS.com reader can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge. It's been seriously put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable and secure connection for you when accessing CNBLOGS.com. And if you're in regions where CNBLOGS.com might be restricted or throttled, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for potentially better speeds. Just keep in mind you're trading a bit of encryption for that faster, smoother connection. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for CNBLOGS.com? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means quicker page loads and smoother browsing. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speed using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests found its performance can vary depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed is your top priority. You want smooth and uninterrupted access to CNBLOGS.com, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have lots of devices, or need a stable, self-managed network for all your CNBLOGS.com sessions. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused user who needs proof their no-logs claims hold up. Its open-source apps and proven record are truly unique. And that's it. We're out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for CNBLOGS.com. See you soon.